Google has unveiled Willow, the world's most advanced quantum chip. This cutting-edge processor has achieved what once seemed impossible, solving problems in minutes that would take the world's fastest supercomputers billions of years. Quantum computing has long been a topic of speculation, but Willow makes a turning point. We are no longer talking about theory. This is the beginning of quantum era. But with this immense power comes both incredible opportunity and significant risk, especially for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. What makes quantum computing different? To understand why Willow is such a big deal, let's break down how quantum computing works. Traditional computers use bits, which can be either a 1 or a 0. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use qubits. Qubits can exist in state of superposition, meaning they can be both 1 and 2 at the same time. Simultaneously, for example, while a traditional computer solves problems step by step, a quantum computer analyzes all possible solutions at once. Another key feature of quantum computers is entanglement, a phenomenon where qubits become interconnected, allowing them to share information instantaneously. These properties make quantum machines exponentially more powerful than classic computers for certain tasks. So why is quantum computing a threat to crypto? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin rely on cryptographic algorithms to secure transactions and wallets. The two main systems in use are ECDSA 256, elliptic curve digital signature algorithm responsible for generating private and public key, and second is SHA-256, the hashing algorithm that secure Bitcoin's blockchain. While these systems are designed to withstand brute forces attack from traditional computers, quantum computers operate on a completely different level. Algorithms like Shor's algorithm and Grove's algorithm could theoretically crack this encryption method. Here's how it works. Shor's algorithm could be used to derive private key from public key, effectively allowing someone to steal Bitcoin. Grove's algorithm could speed up hash collision attacks, threatening the integrity of the blockchain. So how close are we to quantum threat? While Willow is a massive leap forward, we're still far from quantum computers capable of breaking Bitcoin's encryption. Here's why. Cracking ECDSA 256 would require over 1 million qubits, where Willow has just 105 qubits. Breaking SHA-256 involves solving 2 of the power of 128 possibilities, a computational task so massive it's virtually impossible with today's technology. Estimates suggest that quantum computers capable of breaking Bitcoins may be 10 to 20 years away. However, the rapid pace of advancement means the mean time could shrink unexpectedly. What does this mean for Bitcoin security? The looming quantum threat is driving the blockchain industry to act. Developers are already working on post-quantum cryptography, which uses algorithms designed to withstand quantum attacks. These efforts aim to future-proof blockchain network before quantum computers become powerful enough to pose a real threat. One advantage of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is their ability to adapt through hard forks. A hard fork is a significant upgrade to the blockchain's code, requiring consensus from miners, developers, and users. This process has been done before, most notably in 2017 when Bitcoin splits into Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Major organizations like the National Institute of Standards and Technology are also leading the charge to standardize post-quantum resistance cryptographic protocol. So, beyond crypto, the wider implication of quantum computing. The impact of quantum computing extends far beyond blockchain. If quantum machines reach the power needs to break cryptographic systems, they could disrupt banking systems, threatening the encryption that protects billions of financial transactions, national security, exposing military, communication, and classified intelligence, crucial infrastructure, hacking into power grids, water supply systems, and infrastructure networks, artificial intelligence, undermining the cryptographic models that secure AI algorithms, leaving them vulnerable to manipulation. Quantum computers could also pose a risk to personal data, enabling hackers to access private emails, financial accounts, and medical records. The cost of preparing for the quantum era, transitioning to quantum resistant algorithm, is not small task. A recent survey found that over 70% of blockchain companies identify quantum computing as a critical risk. Major platforms like Bitcoin and Ethereum are already exploring solutions, but smaller networks with fewer resources may struggle to keep the pace. This could create a two-tiered blockchain ecosystem: prepared network with quantum-resistant measures and vulnerable systems left exposed to potential attacks. Why quantum isn't ubiquitous yet? For now, quantum computers remain highly specialized and expensive. They require extreme conditions, including operating temperatures near absolute zero, colder than the vacuum of space. These machines are owned and operated by a handful of major players like Google, IBM, and Microsoft, costing millions to develop and maintain. However, history has shown us once technology advances, accessibility follows. Just as traditional computers evolved from room-sized machine to laptop and smartphones, quantum computers may one day become more widely available. So, how could quantum strengthen blockchain? Interestingly, quantum computing isn't just a threat. It could also enhance blockchain technology. By leveraging quantum principles, we could develop quantum-resistant cryptographic models that are stronger than anything we have today, optimize blockchain scalability and energy efficiency using quantum-powered simulation. Also, by combining quantum computing with artificial intelligence to accelerate the development of security protocol. This synergy could lead to a more secure and efficient blockchain ecosystem. So what can you do as an investor? As the quantum era approaches, here are 3 steps to protect yourself. 1. Stay informed, follow advancement in quantum computing and blockchain security. And 2. Diversify your investment, consider blockchain projects, actively investing in quantum-resistant solutions. And 3. Adopt secure practices. Regularly update your wallet software, avoid reusing public key, and follow best practices for crypto security. Now, are cryptocurrencies ready for quantum computing? Well, quantum computing represents both a challenge and an opportunity for the digital world. While the threat to cryptocurrencies is real, it's not immediate, and the blockchain industry has time to adapt. The question isn't if quantum computing will disrupt crypto, it's when. But with proactive operation and continued innovation, blockchain can not only survive but thrive in the quantum era. What do you think? Will quantum computer spell the end of cryptocurrencies, or will they usher in the new era of security and innovation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on the intersection of technology and finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.